Title: How to Think in English to Speak English Fluently. Think fast, speak fluent. Fluency in English is something many people want. I remember when I was a young student like you. I wanted to speak English well. I wanted to be fluent, but I was shy and made many mistakes. One day, a teacher said to me, "Fluency doesn't mean perfection, it means confidence. Start thinking in English, even if you make mistakes. Over time, your mind will adapt." This advice changed my approach. I began narrating my actions in English, practicing small conversations in front of the mirror, and imagining daily activities in English. Slowly, I noticed a change. I became more confident, and speaking felt natural. This video will teach you how to do the same. Together, we'll explore simple techniques to train your brain to think fast, shift your thoughts to English, and improve your fluency. Let's get started. Part 1: How to Think Fast in English. Quick thinking exercises. Play word association games. For example, if someone says food, think of related words like pizza, apple, or dinner. Try rapid-fire questions or brain-training apps to sharpen your speed. Focus and be present. Stay present during conversations. Breathing exercises or mindfulness practices can help you focus and process information faster. Paraphrase instead of pausing. If you can't find the exact word, describe your thoughts in simpler terms. For example, if you forget umbrella, say, the thing you use in the rain. Use context to anticipate. Listen carefully to predict what will come next in conversations. This allows you to prepare your responses quickly. Part 2: How to Think in English. Immerse yourself. Surround yourself with English by watching movies, listening to podcasts, or reading books. Switch your device settings to English. Start small. Think about your daily routine in English. For example, I will eat breakfast, then go to work. Practice visual thinking. Imagine a scenario, like ordering coffee at a cafe, and describe it in English. Talk to yourself. Narrate your actions. For example, I'm opening the window now because it's hot. Try shadowing. Repeat sentences immediately after hearing them from movies or podcasts. This helps you mimic the flow of natural English. Part 3: Communication and Conversation Skills. Structure your thoughts. Use a simple formula: intro, main point, and closing. For example, if asked about your weekend, intro, "It was great." Main point, "I visited a new park with friends." Closing, "You should visit it too." Practice active listening. Focus on what others are saying, so you can respond thoughtfully. Be confident in mistakes. Fluency doesn't mean being perfect. Every mistake is a step forward. Jeeny's journey to fluency. Jeeny, a 22-year-old student from a small town, always dreamed of speaking English fluently. She admired people who could talk confidently but often struggled to think fast during conversations. Whenever she tried to speak, she'd pause and feel frustrated. One day, she decided to change her mindset. Jeeny surrounded herself with English by watching movies, listening to podcasts, and setting her phone to English. She also started talking to herself, narrating her daily activities in English, like, "I'm brushing my teeth now." To train her brain to think faster, Jeeny practiced word associations and gave herself 1-minute challenges to talk about random topics without stopping. At first, it was hard, but she improved with time. She also discovered the shadowing technique, repeating sentences from movies and podcasts. This helped her mimic natural English and improve her pronunciation. Joining an online language group gave her real-life practice and boosted her confidence. Her biggest challenge was a class presentation in English. Jeeny prepared by practicing in front of a mirror and recording herself. On the day of the presentation, she used everything she had learned, thinking in English, structuring her thoughts, and speaking confidently. To her surprise, her professor praised her performance. Today, Jeeny feels proud of how far she's come. Her advice? Don't fear mistakes. Start thinking in English and practice daily. You'll improve before you know it. Final tips for fluency: make speaking English a habit, even for 5 to 10 minutes a day. Set small, achievable goals, like holding a short conversation or learning a few new phrases weekly. Celebrate every win, no matter how small, it's all progress. Fluency is a journey, and every step counts. Don't forget to share your progress in the comments and subscribe for more tips.